Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be building a nice house. Not a really super modern, not really super big either, but, oof, I will tell you, it's going to be a more than survivable house. It's going to be a livable house. And yes, today I'm in creative mode. So now, no. Just trying to think. What would such a thing be made of? No, I'm not holding a tripwire hook. That's just my skin. Like, see, it's my arm. My arm is a tripwire. My arm looks like a tripwire hook when I have it now. Now. Okay. Oh, okie dokie. Let me see here. Trying to look through some things to kind of get inspiration. This is new. Oh, it's still just placed down the same old one. Oh, God. Okay, get rid of that. Okay. Now, I don't know what I did here. Let's just get rid of it. Okay. So, I'm trying to find inspiration. What does this even do? Nothing. What is the point of it? What is the point of popped chorus fruit? I understand chorus fruit because like it teleports you. Like regular stuff. I don't really get the other things. No. Okay. Trying to knock on my brain to see if anyone's home. This will give me. Oh. We will make a realistic blacksmith. Yes. A realistic one. So first off, we'll start with the frame. How long? Oh god, I spent 3.5 minutes contemplating. Okay, so now we will use our first material, cobblestone. We will make a realistic blacksmith. Darn it. How did I end up in the negatives? Darn it, I specifically tried to stay out of the negative numbers so that it would be easier to use /fill commands. Okay. Somehow I ended up back in the negatives. Okay, so the main size here. Now, a lot of blacksmiths do work on their porch. Like, do work on a patio, not a porch. Porches are made of wood. More on their patio. Like their covered patio. So, we're also like a blacksmith. Like the old ones that had blacksmiths. Wonder why they got rid of them. I mean, I know they still have grinding houses, but I wonder why they got rid of Minecraft, got rid of the actual blacksmiths. Like, come on. I can't feel happy to find a blacksmith anymore because they don't exist. That's another thing I had always wondered at the blacksmiths when you found them. Why there were two slabs of stone? Why there were two stone slabs instead of like an actual anvil that's meant for making weapons and anything metal, which is what blacksmiths do. They make metal. They make sharp metal things. Well, they literally just make things out of metal. That's what blacksmiths are. It's called blacksmith actually because when metal cools off before it's polished, it is black. Well, because it's burnt. But then before it's burnt, it's red. Yeah, because iron is red naturally before it's heated up. Yeah, I'm sure all of you know. I'm sure all of y'all know that. So now we're gonna start with the furnace first. I'm not gonna do very much because I'm not gonna really start yet. So the outside patio area, it be bang 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 like so. But up here, cause we must have a chimney. Now, you're probably wondering where I'm going with this design. That's not exactly what I was expecting. Well then, we'll do the classic thing. We'll do netherwort. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, there we go. We have that done. And the chimney I'll make once I build the actual building. It'll be something kind of similar to that. Okay, now sorry, my voice is gonna be a little rough today. It just happens to be that day when I'm coughing my lungs out. Because 'tis the season to get viruses. Fa la 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 la. Okay. I don't know if I'll get copyrighted because I used the same rhythm, but I don't think I will, because no one else that sings the song on YouTube gets copyrighted, so that would be unfair. Now, next to this finish, because my house, I'm gonna plan for it to kind of be, yeah. Okay, here, I'll show you. I don't know if you didn't get that. It's going to be small. Like that. That marks the house. Now to be fancy, I'm gonna use logs and crap. But for now, I'm gonna also do a cool thing. So, go into here, and by the furnace, I will set up a bunch of iron ore. Cause it looks cool. Visual effect is everything in a place that you can't do anything. Now, bang. And, to make it realistic, over by this corner, I will get a chest, and go into here, stay in there. Okay, come on, I haven't gotten that kind of thing in so long. I'll be right back. Okay, I found the thing I was looking for, but I just got a better idea to give myself a ton of it. I thought I put it on all the way. Oh, yep, I did. Something in front of me. Okay. Now, how much stuff can this hold? It can hold 9 times 6. Okay, I don't know where my calculator is, so hang on a minute. So I have done some mathing. I will now do this. Okay, now because this video is long enough, I did this part off cam and filled this chest with a ton of iron. Now, for a few more things we want, or need, it depends. I want that, and I want this, and I want that. I want this, and that, and this, that, this. Okay. Now the grindstone, we'll put here in the corner. Yeah, no, that would be correct. And the anvil will be right in the center, because you want the anvil pretty close to the furnace, so that when you split, you can pull out the blade and go right to hammering it. So, now, okay, yes, we want this place to be roofed. What should we use for our roof? That's a good idea. Oh, I already have that. Did they make brick slabs? I think so. Yep. Okay, nice. I want bricks. I want brick slabs. And that. Okay. Right. I need this. No, this. I'm gonna try and get this done pretty fast. If not, I'll have to make a second part to it, or else the video's gonna end up too long. Now. Now. What are we doing here? Oh, never mind. I don't need that. I do need this. Now, for now, I'm just gonna build the 4-foot tall frame of it. You'll see. You guys will see, and you'll understand when I'm done with it. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll have to make this a two-part thing. It's taller. Nope, perfectly equal, as all things should be. Now, okay, and this will be our basic design. I will show you the basics. Oh, no, you already broke that. Now, see what I'm going to do here. Now, really, you can't really cheat in creative mode, so